In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document from Scanner Pro on iPhone. Let's get started right inside Scanner Pro on your iPhone. Open the app and you'll see your scanned documents laid out as thumbnails or in a list, depending on your view. Find the document you want to print and tap it to open. This brings up the full preview so you can quickly confirm you've selected the right file and that the scan looks sharp and properly cropped. Next, look for the export icon, which is the square with an upward arrow. It's typically located along the top or bottom toolbar, depending on your version. Tap that icon to open the sharing and export options. From the sheet that appears, choose Print. This sends your document into the iOS print workflow, where you can finalize your printing preferences. On the print screen, select your printer. You should see AirPrint compatible printers on the same Wi-Fi network appear automatically. If nothing shows up, make sure your printer is powered on, connected to the network, and supports AirPrint. Once your printer appears, tap it to select. You'll now see options specific to that printer, such as the number of copies, color or black and white, duplex if available, and other basic settings. Adjust the number of copies as needed. If you see additional settings like paper size or page range, tailor those to match your needs and your printer's capabilities. Take a moment to review the document preview if one is shown. This is a good time to ensure the content fits the page and orientation is correct. If something looks off, you can go back to Scanner Pro, make quick adjustments like rotating or recropping, and then repeat the export to print. When everything looks right, tap the Print button, which appears as a printer icon on the print screen. That's it, your document is sent to the printer. Give it a moment and your pages should start coming out with the settings you chose. To recap, you opened Scanner Pro, tapped the document, used the export icon to choose Print, selected your printer, adjusted copies and any available settings, and then tapped the print icon to send it off. This simple workflow keeps your scanned paperwork moving smoothly from your iPhone to paper without extra steps. If you frequently use the same printer and settings, this process becomes even faster the next time you print. Thanks for watching and enjoy your freshly printed scans.